Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers, wherever you are. Today, I would like to say something about trap. Not everything where they shine or everything where they glitter, you will call that to say na gold or diamond. No, not true. But many people, when they see something where they shine, they'll say, this thing be like, say as they shine like gold. But silver, people know they always mention something about silver. They feel say silver, no, say silver na the third class of something. No, people they use silver, people they use gold, but diamond, na dey difficult to talk about because diamonds are made forever. Diamond dey stainless. No matter how the thing be rich, if it cut you when you no dey careful when you dey use am. So like one man, this man don dey for years, he don travel, so age don dey tell on this man. So this man now, he come dey say he go like to marry because here when he dey, nobody wan accept am with him age. Then they look am, they look say he too old, him age don dey tell on wetin he don dey do with all these years, wetin he do, why he no marry. So like this lady wey dey very close to am, this lady come promise am say no worry, he go bring somebody for you. He get one very good sister. Say if he talk to am about you, his sister go accept. So na the man come accept. So he come take snap picture, come say make him people for home send pictures to am. They come send pictures to this very lady. This lady come present the pictures, everything to this man. So the man come choose one, say na this lady, na this person in like among all of them. But one thing be say, as you choose this thing, you supposed to communicate with this lady or who he won't marry, supposed to communicate with her. But this man not do so. This man talk to this girl, say okay, he like this one, he like this person, so he want this person as a wife. So you see how picture move this man. Picture turn this man don't know wetin to do again. How every day, if you reach this man house, this man enlarge this picture. Enlarge this picture for somebody wey you never talk with, somebody wey you never speak with. You go enlarge a picture for your house. So this very lady wey dey here, Abigail, wey dey here, talk to this man, say make he give him money, make him take bring this girl come Europe. So the name of this girl in Europe is Abigail. So Abigail talk to this man. He say he no fit talk to this girl, make this girl come like this. At least since you dey look for woman, you know wetin to go, you know wetin to do. So bring your woman come Europe. So one thing wey many people no know, or wetin many people dey do, when they travel, they go just leave their women for home. And your women wey you leave for home, you go dey send money go give am. But you no think say na mistake you dey make? Na mistake you dey make. You marry woman, you leave your woman for years for home. I go come, 6 months I go come, 1 year go, I go. That thing no dey good. If you wan marry, bring your woman go where you dey. Let your woman dey live with you. No marry woman, you leave her for home with the name of marriage. No, that thing no dey good. At the end of the story, the woman go dey help herself because you dey here, you dey wait. She go feel say my husband wey say dey come 1 year, 2 years, the man no come. So wetin you expect her to dey do? She go dey help herself too for home. So that thing no good. If you wan marry, after 2-3 months, make provision, make your woman come live with you for where you dey. Na that one be marriage. Not with the name of marriage, you leave your woman from back home and you dey here. That thing no dey good. So this man come say Europe, nobody gree accept him with him age. So he dey happy to see say this young girl accept am. So instead of am to dey communicate with the woman wey dey send picture to, e go dey communicate with Abigail wey dey with am. Say, Abigail, help me talk to your sister. Abigail, help me do this one to your sister. Abigail, help me do this. Every time e go dey give Abigail money make e send to im sister for back home. Go dey give Abigail money. So you see how this thing be? So this girl no know who dey send this money or wetin she feel. She feel say na im own sister Abigail dey send this money to am. Not knowing say na the man wey Abigail dey prepare for am dey send this money. So when this girl see say this money don too much now, this girl one day, this girl involve herself with somebody else. Because this time the cash, the euro don dey enter her hand. She don feel say she don dey another class. Not that low class wey she dey, wey she no dey fit put on something, wey she no dey fit buy something for herself. But this time, the money dey come every month, dey come to her. So with this money, she dey take am, dey take care of herself. And whereas here for Europe, Abigail dey collect money from this very man, this aged man from here. So this man dey wait. 1 year pass, 2 years. But you see how foolish this man be? You dey pay for something wey you never see. You dey pay for something wey you no know anything about. You dey pay for something wey telephone dey. Why then you no, at least you go communicate. Come talk to this girl. Talk with her, your wife to be. But this very man, this aged man, with that age, he forget something. And that's something when you forget, now be the sense when you forget. You forget in sense. To communicate, he no fit do. He go say, he no know whether the girl. This one is somebody where you want marry, somebody where you want live with all your life with. Now you no fit communicate with her. Every time you go to give this Abigail money, may send to her sister. So what happened? The last day, this very man come to say now he won't travel. He won't go see his wife. Make him do the necessary things. Make him do everything because he don't give money to Abigail. May send to her. May they prepare everything, wait for her. Since this girl never come, no fit enter now. He won't go in person. Make him bring the wife. Come back. May bring the wife. Come Europe. May they come they live together as husband and wife. So Abigail accept. So the day when this man don't prepare everything, for this man don't buy in ticket, make it go say, okay, it could be better, make Abigail go with her. Make them travel together. Now Abigail give this aged man one excuse. Say, look, he not just say he go fit me go this time because he needs, before he go, he needs expense, he get expenses down, they wait for him. So he won't do all these things before he go. So it would be better make this man go alone. He give this man address, give him everything, make this man travel. So before this man won't travel, now this man say, okay, it go take good for him too. Make him communicate with young people. Then they say, see him they come and see who he want marry. So this man sent this girl picture to his own people. Make them see who he want marry. When this very man, this aged man, look how things be, his own sister, his own brother, when they reach there, they're surprised. Say, this very girl, when they talk about, say their brother won't marry, they say this very lady or woman, they pregnant. She's not even single. This lady in person, they engage to somebody else. You see how travel, they cost many things. So they send the message, take this lady picture, send that to their brother, say, maybe not a mistake of the picture when you send to them. But this picture, when they see, and see with the condition of this girl, see how it be. They send that to this man for Europe. When this man see this picture, this man not believe in eyes. Waiting in see. He not believe in eyes. Waiting in see. So when he asks Abigail, why this thing be like this? He asked Abigail. Abigail say, the man, wetin Abigail tell this age man, he say, you stay too long. His sister no go fit dey wait for you all these years with the name of traveling. I go come next week, I will come next week, I will travel, or next year I go travel. So his sister no fit wait for you. So you see how traveling dey cause many, traveling dey destroy many homes. You see how travel wetin travel cause for this man now, with that shock and everything. This man just say, okay, now he no go go back home again. He no wan see nobody again. And now this man dey on strong depression, wey be say that depression paralyze the man. The man no know, the man even to do anything now, the man no dey fit again. The man is just paralyzed. So viewers, if you want travel with the name of traveling, you have to be very careful. If you get wife for home, if you travel come here, if you know say you no fit go back, or maybe document not let you travel, or nothing let you go, any little coins or change you get, or how you take make your money, quickly send her go home to bring your wife come, because to keep her, she will never wait for you for so long. As you dey send money to her, na so she dey use the money do something different. So viewers, you have to be very careful. So thanks for watching. If you love my video, just give me thumb, share my video, and subscribe me. Bye for now.